Hi, for this video, you're going to learn geometric sequences. So geometric sequences, quite simple, similar to arithmetic sequences, just a little bit of difference there and there. So a sequence, it's basically something like this: T1, T2, T3, maybe up until Tn. And the formula, what you need to know here, it's a formula for a geometric sequence, which is Tn is equal to A R power n minus 1, right? Where is your T1, your first term. This is your T1, your first term on your sequence. And then your R is T2 over T1, and your R has to be the same as T3 over T2. So T2 over T1 or T3 over T2. That's your R. Okay, so let me give you an example on this. And then we'll make sense out of that, right? Let's say you're given this. And then the question is, find the nth term of the above sequence. Find the nth term of the above sequence, which is awesome, right? So how are we going to do that? So I said A is your first term, right? So recognize that this is your T1, this is your T2, this is your T3. Okay, so I said your A is T1 and this is your T1, so your A is 36, and then R is T2 over T1, T2 over T1. What do you get? Negative 8 over 36. And you can take your calculator and say negative 8 over 36. In your calculator, you see that it gives you negative half. And then I said also R can be T3 over T2. You don't have to do this when you're calculating this, but we're doing it now just to prove this statement here. So R T3 over T2. Your T3 is 9. This is your T3. Your T2 is this here, negative 18. Now you can take your calculator and punch 9 over 18 in your calculator, and you see your answer is half. See, the answers are the same, which prove what we mentioned here. So now you have your R, and then you have your R. Now we can go back to the formula here. So our formula is Tn is equal to A R n minus 1. When the question says find the nth term, they're looking for Tn. This is what they're looking for. They're looking for Tn. And Tn is this thing here. So Tn is equal to A, which is 36, this A, and R is half, negative half, n minus 1. And this is your nth term of the sequence. This is awesome, right?